the campees, they tore some cards and they left it on our stage. We are so clean. We feel our stage has been littered by some very, very nasty pieces of paper. I am inviting our new campees to use the bottom of their shoes as the broom that has not swept anything in Nigeria, and let them push all these cards out of our state. Please. The way we are doing it, this is how we are going to kick out APC out of every government house. This is how we are going to sweep APC out of the presidential villa soon. Please, sweep these things away, sweep these things away, please. Put the soul of your feet, sweep it away. Sweep it away.
Thank you so much. That is our distinguished senator.
Datti! Labour Party! If you are happy and you know say Labour Party, if you are happy and you know say Labour, if you are hopeful and you know say Edo, if you are strong and you mean it, say Apata. I'm not going to talk for long. I just want to tell you how powerful Labour is. I want to tell you how powerful the people are. The kind of changes you can bring about, the difference that your thumbs, your hearts, your mind can bring about. Somebody misruled Lagos State for 24 years until a young man powered by Labour Party came up. 24 years, the richest state in Nigeria was under one man. He could make and unmake. He can please and displease, put and remove. In fact, sometimes they even strangle people at night. One young man, powered and sponsored by Labour Party, came and changed everything. You know what? When they begin to feel the heat, what do? They switch off IREM. When votes begin to pour in for Labour, what do? The computers, they develop glitch. When they see that peterobi was winning, what did they do? They changed the constitution. When peterobi won the presidency, what did they do? They changed the meaning of English language. A criminal is always a criminal. A cheat is always a... Never be intimidated by what you hear in the news. When you see them in the news, when they come down from the big aircraft, the first thing you remember is the value of your naira. When they are doing all their government functions, keep it in mind. These are the people that have destroyed your security. Never be afraid. Never be intimidated. You are the people. Power belongs to you. You make who you want to make your leader, and you remove who you don't want as your leader. Now is the time, Edo State. Your history, your culture, your name preceded you. We want you to show the world that powered by Labour Party, you are going to live up to your names. You are going to provide for yourself the leader that you really want. Let me tell you, voting for yourself the right leader is bringing security to your doorstep. Nobody will follow you to your villages and kill you when you have the right leader. Why is Nigeria the way it is today? Bad leadership, bad governance, and that's what we're going to end. Getting yourself the right leader is putting money in your pocket, and that's what you're going to do. We are working with you to ensure this. Getting for yourself the right leader is putting education in your head, health in your body, strength in your mind. Their time has come to an end.
Thank you so much, Your Excellency.
On Saturday, vote Akpata Kadiri as the governor and deputy governor.
Thank you so much, Your Excellency. Thank you so much. God bless you.